If you're based in Australia or New Zealand and you're looking to get something started on Amazon, I've got some great news for you. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 mistakes that common people make when they're launching their business on Amazon Australia. Number 1 is they choose a bad product. They choose products that are simply not making money. They're choosing products that are just simply not profitable. All right, so that's mistake number 1. Mistake number 2 is they choose products that are too heavy. When you're first launching a product on Amazon, you want to choose lightweight products that are simple, lightweight, usually shoebox size. And mistake number 3 is they're not too sure how to find suppliers, not too sure where to find the best quality supplier, or even how to get the best price. So guys, I'm holding an exclusive webinar. If you're based in Australia, New Zealand, you need to watch this webinar. Around this video, there's a link. On this training video, I will be revealing to you not only how to find products, how to find profitable products. I'm going to reveal to you 10 products that are actually doing some pretty big numbers, all right? All of these products, they're simple, they're lightweight, they're shoebox size, they're products that you could potentially put your brand on, and they are perfect for beginners, beginner Amazon seller. All right, so this webinar, this live webinar is exclusive really just for you, for beginners looking to get started on Amazon, Amazon Australia, or even Amazon USA. I'd love to see you on the webinar. Around this video, there's a link. And like I said, I will be revealing 10 products that are doing some big volume right now, 10 products that are actually products that even I particularly would jump on as well. All right, so I'd love to see you there. Don't forget, around this video, there's a link. Give it a click, and I'd love to see you on this live presentation. Bye for now.